All right, so my account is now sitting at $50,801. I did trade yesterday. I did not record the trade yesterday. I was feeling kind of sick, so decided not to record, but I can break down the trade real quick. Um, so I took the trade on gold. Price came down to this pivot point. Um, Came down and rejected it twice. Came on the charts, and this red candle came down. Huge rejection. Um, After this candle kept coming down, rejected it again, rejected it again. No candles closed below this pivot point. Then the direction started to change. I got in at the break of this candle, and I didn't get this whole move. I got like about 50 ticks, or just under 50 ticks, I think. Yeah, good trade. Went up for a little bit more, but that's okay. All right, now let's see what we got. Gold is in a little bit of a range. It has broken past that pivot point. Still kind of in a range on the 5 minute and the 15 minute. We are still bullish on the 1 hour, although it does look like the direction is changing. Price is at a new lower low. No quality setups on gold right now. Uh, NQ. We are in a nice bullish trend. We have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Same thing on ES. They look pretty much identical. Let's see. Do have a demand zone right here on NQ. We got a few of them actually. This one get tapped into, yup. We got another one down here. ES looks about the same. This one's not really a valid demand zone because this high didn't break. Just have a break of structure. Oh, it broke this previous high. Um, but that doesn't look too valid to me. This one looks pretty good. And then there's one all the way on the bottom right here. All right, and we are like in between pivot points on ES and NQ, so we'll just be looking for traditional supply and demand setups. And I believe there is news at 5:15. Yep. Which is in 10 minutes. So I just may wait till after news to enter a trade. All right, news just hit. We're getting a big push down on NQ and ES. Gold's pushing up pretty heavily too. NQ blasted through this demand zone. Get rid of it. Yes. Almost tapped the zone. Not quite there. All right, NQ and ES have both tapped their zones. Huge candle. Let's see how many ticks this is. Oof, over 200 ticks. Not getting a huge rejection off the zone. It is rejecting it. Not massively though. Looks okay so far. We'll have to see what the next candle does. Looks like it's gonna close in the zone. Pretty strong candle closure. Don't know if it's gonna push back up. It's pushing. All right, so it looks like we have a pivot point on the 1 hour on ES and NQ. We could take a break and retest of this level, or we can see if it's gonna reject this level and bounce back up. Because we are bullish on both, so we'll see how price reacts here at this level. Blasted through all these demand zones, so those are gone. And we do have some more demand zones on NQ. Older ones, so they may not hold, but it's worth taking a look at. If price does come back down. There's one on NQ. See, does ES have one? Yes, right here it looks like. Not the cleanest demand zone. Doesn't have a fair value gap attached to the zone, but there is a gap. Or actually, doesn't have a fair value. There's a gap right here, but not attached to the zone. We will watch it. There is a gap on the NQ, so that's good. We will watch them both nonetheless. Gold. I just don't like the price action on gold. It's in a range. No clear trend. All right, so NQ has broken past the pivot point. ES did not close past the pivot point, and now it's pushing back up. Pushing up with a lot of volume. It's a huge move. It's got to fill these gaps from the news hit. Looks cleaner on ES. Yeah, there's more touch points on ES at this level. So I might take it on ES, not NQ. NQ is a much riskier trade because it's 208 ticks. Yeah. Put a buy limit right
Order
here.
submitted.
Ooh. Did not like that spike down. Could be rejecting off the 200 EMA right here. Whoa. Gold is melting right now. Breaks this candle. We are getting in. It's got these big gaps to fill.
Order
Showing
filled.
nice strength. Let's full screen this. Very nice. Keep going, ES. Ooh. Getting a doji candle on the Heikinashi. Pushing back down. Come on now. Be nice if this can change color. Change to blue. Okay, that looks nice. Come on. There we go. Keep going now. Beautiful. We have changed color now on the Heikinashi candlesticks. That's exactly what we want to see. Doji candles. Beautiful. Just keep going. Yes. Don't push up for nothing. Had that huge spike. Don't go back down. Oh shit. As much as it's spiking down, it keeps spiking back up. So like I want to close it, but part of me thinks it's gonna shoot up. Yeah, we're
Order
closing it.
filled.
Yeah. Minus 225. Wow. No way, dude. No way it's shooting back up. Wow. That's so annoying. Bro, what? That's so stupid. We do have gold, maybe creating a demand zone right here. If it breaks these highs, could be a potential trade to take. Or if ES or NQ keeps pushing, I might re-enter. I think I might enter on NQ this time.
Order submitted.
If it breaks this candle high, then I'm gonna get in. God, why does it push up after pushing that far down? Then why can't I just do that before?
Order filled.
All right, let's see. Do have the EMAs right here. It's a little worrisome. And it's already pushing back down. Bro. Bro, no way. This is gonna be a huge loss. I close it right here. Are you kidding me? Oh, come on, bro. Yep.
Order filled.
Huge loss. Wow. Oh. Why the Oh my god. Well, one of my rules is if I lose 500 or more dollars, then I'm done for the day. So I gotta end it there. Oh man. Big loss today. We were so close to 1K. Taking a lot of losses lately. We're still over 50K, so that's good. Trying to stay positive. Losses are going to happen. It sucks that there's been so many lately. Try again tomorrow. Hopefully, we get something better tomorrow.